Got a crop that I'm growing this year. I've grown it before, but it's been a little bit. The English name for it is asparagus bean or yardlong bean. I really like them because they're like a green bean, but they're very, very, very productive and easy to pick. These I planted 2 or 3 weeks ago now. I'm going to replant a few because I've got some spots where seeds didn't come up. And then today I'm going to put trellis line on these. They're a pole bean type, so they need to climb up. And we'll make a number of videos throughout the year showing you what they do over the course of the year. So follow us along as we go. This is what the beans themselves look like. They basically look like beans but smaller. In Filipino these are called sitaw, and in Thai they're called tuyao. So they're pretty easy to plant. The general rule of thumb with seeds is 4 times the thickness of the seed underground. You can go a little bit deeper than that if you need to for moisture reasons, but right now our moisture is pretty good shape, so I'm just going to go about that deep. I'll just go down through here and reseed a few thin spots. I picked up some green onion sets on clearance at one of the stores I got 200 of them for 50 cents. So I decided I'd go ahead and stick those in the ground and get some more green onions. I'm going to experiment with a method of trellising that I haven't done before. Hopefully it works. Alright, that's got the top and the bottom strands run. I'll tie this off here, and then I'll put drop lines for each one of the plants in across these. So, get this tied, and then I'll get the string for the drop lines. So I'm going to try to do kind of a zigzag spider web pattern here and see how that goes. just about done trellising these, and then we'll wait for them to grow a bit, and I'll help them get started on the trellis, and we'll continue following their growth and production as we go along.